1. 1929 Ford Model, a sedan delivery. Price, $15,000. Located, Glendale Heights, Illinois. This 1929 Ford Model, a sedan delivery, is a custom-built hot rod that combines vintage styling with upgraded mechanical components for improved performance and drivability. Featuring a fiberglass body mounted on a newer 1932-style frame, this build offers a solid foundation with a classic hot rod stance. The black exterior gives it a clean and timeless appearance, while the straight axle front end adds to its traditional street rod character. Powering this vehicle is a reliable 305 small block Chevrolet engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, providing smooth acceleration and easy driving. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with 3.50 Posey gears, ensuring dependable traction and durability. The suspension setup includes a 4-link system with coilovers, enhancing ride quality and handling compared to original configurations. Inside, the car features a new Wise Guys front seat, offering improved comfort and a more modern seating experience. The build is relatively fresh, with low miles reported, making it a solid option for those seeking a ready-to-drive project or weekend cruiser. Please note, this vehicle is sold with a certificate of origin and does not include a title. It represents a unique opportunity for enthusiasts looking for a custom classic with strong fundamentals. 2. 1935 Chevrolet Pro Street Rod. Price, $38,500. Located, Rockford, Illinois. This 1935 Chevrolet Pro Street Rod is a powerful and well-built custom machine designed for both street presence and high-performance driving. Finished in a clean and aggressive style, this vehicle represents a modern interpretation of a classic pre-war body, enhanced with serious horsepower and upgraded mechanical components. The build is relatively fresh, with approximately 2,000 miles, making it a strong and reliable option for enthusiasts seeking a turnkey pro street experience. At the heart of this Chevy is a 383-stroker engine producing around 500 horsepower, paired with a BDS blower running slightly underdriven for balanced performance and reliability. The setup is complemented by dual 600 Edelbrock carburetors and an electric fuel pump, ensuring consistent fuel delivery. A new alternator has also been installed, supporting the overall electrical system. Power is transferred through a TCI 700R4 automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and highway-friendly cruising capability. Additional features include a tilt steering column for driver comfort, line lock functionality for performance driving, power windows, and front disc brakes for improved stopping power. The car runs and drives exceptionally well, making it suitable for shows, cruises, or spirited driving. This is a solid, well-sorted build offered by a motivated seller looking to fund another project, making it a great opportunity for buyers. 3. 1923 Ford T-Bucket. Price, $12,500. Located, Abingdon, Virginia. This 1923 Ford T-Bucket is a lightweight and eye-catching hot rod that delivers classic open-air driving with strong performance and simple mechanical reliability. Built using a Speedway body and frame, this car represents a well-known foundation in the hot rod community, offering durability and a clean, traditional look. Its compact size and aggressive stance make it a true head-turner whether parked or cruising down the road. Under the hood, this T-Bucket is powered by a freshly built 350 Chevrolet engine with a mild cam, providing a balanced combination of power and drivability. The engine has less than 200 miles, ensuring it remains in excellent condition. It is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, making it easy to drive while still delivering strong acceleration when needed. The overall condition of the car is described as excellent, reflecting careful ownership and recent updates. It is fully titled, registered, and insured, allowing for immediate road use without complications. The simple interior and open design provide a raw and authentic hot rod experience that many enthusiasts appreciate. This vehicle is being sold due to relocation, presenting a great opportunity to own a ready-to-enjoy classic hot rod with fresh mechanical components. 4. 1933 Ford Sedan. Price, $34,000. Located, Fayetteville, Tennessee. This 1933 Ford sedan is a beautifully built all-steel hot rod that combines vintage styling with modern engineering for a comfortable and reliable driving experience. The solid steel body preserves the authenticity of the era, while the upgraded chassis and suspension components provide improved handling and ride quality. Its clean design and well-balanced stance make it suitable for both car shows and regular cruising. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch engine producing approximately 300 horsepower, offering a strong yet manageable performance level. This setup delivers smooth acceleration and dependable operation, making it ideal for drivers who want both power and reliability. The vehicle is also equipped with heat and air conditioning, adding modern comfort features rarely found in cars of this era. The suspension system includes an aftermarket frame with rack and pinion steering and tubular A-arms, significantly enhancing steering response and overall control. QA1 coilovers further improve ride quality, allowing the car to handle road conditions with ease while maintaining its classic appeal. This 1933 Ford sedan is a well-rounded build that offers a blend of traditional looks and modern upgrades, making it a great choice for enthusiasts seeking a dependable and stylish street rod. 5. 1933 Ford Roadster. Price: $35,000. Located: Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This 1933 Ford Roadster is a high-quality custom build that showcases modern performance engineering combined with classic roadster styling. Built on a powder-coated frame, the car reflects attention to detail and durability throughout its construction. The two-tone paint finish enhances its visual appeal, while the overall design maintains a clean and aggressive stance that stands out in any setting. The vehicle is equipped with a 4.6 DOHC engine that has been extensively upgraded, delivering strong and responsive performance. It features an advanced 8-stack fuel injection system, providing precise fuel delivery and a distinctive appearance under the hood. Supporting components include stainless steel braided fuel lines, a high-quality fuel system, and JBA ceramic-coated headers for improved exhaust flow and efficiency. Handling and braking are equally impressive, with Wilwood drilled and slotted rotors on all four corners and a 3-link rear suspension setup. The car rides on American racing wheels paired with performance tires, ensuring both grip and style. The interior is fitted with leather seats and heat-shielding materials for added comfort during longer drives. This Roadster is built with premium components and thoughtful engineering, making it a standout option for collectors and enthusiasts alike. 6. 1923 Ford T-Truck. Price: $18,500. Located: Hixson, Tennessee. This 1923 Ford T-Truck is a compact and stylish hot rod that captures the raw essence of early custom builds while offering reliable modern performance. Designed in the classic T-bucket style with a pickup twist, this vehicle stands out with its lightweight construction and aggressive stance. It is a great option for enthusiasts looking for a fun and unique street rod that is easy to drive and maintain. Power comes from a proven 350 small block Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. This setup delivers dependable performance, smooth shifting, and strong acceleration for such a lightweight vehicle. The simplicity of the drivetrain makes it a reliable choice for both casual cruising and local car shows. The overall condition is good, reflecting a well-maintained build that has been enjoyed but still presents nicely. Its open design provides a true hot rod driving experience, connecting the driver directly to the road. The compact proportions and classic styling make it ideal for weekend drives, events, or simply turning heads wherever it goes. This T-Truck represents a solid entry into the hot rod world, offering classic looks, proven mechanicals, and an enjoyable driving experience in a unique package. 7. 1930 Ford Model A Sedan. Price: $13,000. Located: Maysville, Kentucky. This 1930 Ford Model A sedan is a clean and freshly rebuilt hot rod that offers a straightforward and reliable driving experience. The car has undergone a complete rebuild with less than 100 miles since completion, making it a fresh and ready-to-drive classic. Its simplified design without fenders or running boards gives it a minimalist hot rod appearance that highlights its vintage character. The engine starts easily and runs smoothly, providing dependable performance for cruising or short trips. The vehicle has been well cared for and remains in excellent functional condition, with all side windows operating properly as intended. This attention to detail ensures both practicality and comfort while maintaining the original charm of the Model A platform. The car is titled as a 1930 Ford and is fully complete as shown, with additional parts such as a hood and side shields included, although they have not been installed. Its clean presentation and low usage since the rebuild make it an appealing option for buyers seeking a simple, no-nonsense classic car. This Model A is ideal for enthusiasts who want a ready-to-enjoy vintage vehicle without the need for further restoration work. 8. 1954 Chevrolet Custom. Price: $50,000. Located, Elyria, Ohio. This 1954 Chevrolet Custom is a beautifully modified classic that blends vintage styling with powerful performance upgrades and modern comfort features. Finished in a sleek black exterior, the car presents a timeless look enhanced by custom touches and a strong street presence. It is built to be both a showpiece and a capable street machine. Under the hood, the vehicle is powered by a 350 cubic inch engine equipped with a B&M blower and dual carburetors, delivering impressive horsepower and a distinctive supercharged performance feel. The engine is paired with a 350 automatic transmission, providing smooth and consistent power delivery suitable for both cruising and spirited driving. The car features a posy rear setup with stock gearing, ensuring stable traction while maintaining drivability. Inside, the vehicle is equipped with vintage-style air conditioning, a quality stereo system, sweeping gauges, and a chrome steering column, offering a comfortable and enjoyable driving environment. This custom Chevrolet runs and drives well, making it more than just a display car. It represents a well-rounded build that combines classic design with modern upgrades, ideal for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a standout vehicle. 9. 1936 Ford Coupe. Price: $62,500. Located, McHenry, Illinois. This 1936 Ford Coupe is a fully restored all-steel retro rod that blends authentic vintage styling with carefully selected period-correct performance upgrades. The restoration highlights the craftsmanship and attention to detail, making it a standout piece for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Its timeless design is complemented by subtle modifications that enhance both drivability and uniqueness without compromising its classic appeal. Powering this coupe is a professionally rebuilt 1949 Mercury flathead V8 engine, updated with Edelbrock finned aluminum heads and a rare Edelbrock high-rise dual-carb intake setup featuring Stromberg carburetors. The engine is further enhanced with an Isky camshaft and adjustable lifters, delivering a smooth yet responsive performance. A magneto ignition system and custom headers complete the vintage-inspired powertrain. The drivetrain includes a T5 manual transmission sourced from an S10 pickup, paired with a specialty bell housing, offering improved drivability and versatility. The suspension features a subtle 1-inch drop, preserving the traditional stance. Interior details include seats from a mid-1960s Mustang, upholstered in black vinyl, paired with a clean and simple cabin layout. This vehicle represents a rare opportunity to own a historically styled hot rod with thoughtful upgrades and exceptional build quality. 10. 1936 Dodge Sedan. Price: $22,500. Located, St. Charles, Missouri. This 1936 Dodge Sedan is a well-maintained classic vehicle that has been upgraded for modern comfort while retaining its vintage character. The four-door configuration provides practicality and a spacious cabin, making it a great choice for those who appreciate classic styling with everyday usability. Its overall condition is above average, reflecting consistent care and attention over time. Under the hood, the car is powered by a 318 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering smooth and reliable performance. The addition of power steering and power disc brakes significantly improves handling and braking, making the vehicle easier and safer to drive compared to its original configuration. Comfort features include air conditioning and an AM/FM CD audio system, providing a more enjoyable driving experience for longer trips or casual cruising. Recent upgrades such as new headers, a new exhaust system, a new master cylinder, and new tires mounted on modern wheels ensure the car is mechanically sound and ready for the road. This Dodge sedan is a solid and dependable classic that combines vintage appeal with modern enhancements, making it suitable for both collectors and regular drivers. 11. 1934 Ford Pickup. Price, $24,000. Located, Cincinnati, Ohio. This 1934 Ford pickup is a unique and functional classic truck that has been modified with a combination of vintage styling and upgraded drivetrain components. Built as a closed-cab pickup, it offers a traditional appearance while benefiting from performance enhancements that make it more practical for modern driving. Its overall condition is good, presenting as a solid driver with character. The truck is powered by a 1957 DeSoto Hemi engine, delivering strong torque and a distinctive performance feel that sets it apart from typical small block builds. This engine is paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, providing smooth shifting and improved highway usability. The rear end is sourced from a late 1960s Camaro, contributing to better durability and performance. This pickup runs and drives well, making it suitable for regular use, local shows, or weekend cruising. The blend of classic truck design with upgraded mechanical components creates a balanced package that appeals to enthusiasts looking for something different. Overall, this 1934 Ford pickup offers a unique driving experience with a rare engine setup and solid performance, making it a standout option in the classic truck market.